Over the past couple of weeks, as part of the camp activities, we all had the precious opportunity to learn the Madhyan Arati from our beloved Ammagaru herself. This Madhyan Arati has been sung at Shirdi for over 100 years. The goal is to understand the meaning behind the Madhyan Arati, learn the correct pronunciation, and sing it at the Samadhi Mandir in Shirdi during the upcoming Guru Purnima celebrations. Our beloved Ammagaru taught us with incredible patience and love. For many geckos and volunteers, these sessions with Ammagaru have been one of the highlights of this year's camp. We love to sing, and when our voices unite, it creates a beautiful sense of oneness, allowing us to feel whole and connected to something larger than ourselves. Singing is also a way for us to connect with Guruji Tatya and Baba Tatya. Keeping them in our thoughts while singing brings a sense of deep connection with them. The Madhyan Arati is about 30 minutes long, but we will be singing for about 4 minutes, which will include just 2 poems, Ananta Tulate and Aise Yeba. Sorry.
Satchidananda Sadguru Sainath Maharaj Ki Jai. Sadguru Shri Sainath Vijay Babuji Ki Jai. Ananta Tulate Kasere Sabave. Ananta Tulate Kasere Namave. Ananta Mukhancha Shine Sheshagata. Namaskara Sashtanga Shri Sainatha. Smahave Manitvat Pada Nitya Bhave. Purave Paribhakti Sati Swabhave. Karave Jagataruni Mayatata. Namaskara Sashtanga Shri Sainatha. Vasejo Sadana Vaya Santalila. Visehajnadokam Parijo Janada. Pariyantari Jnana Kaivalya Data. Namaskara Sashtanga Shri Sainatha. Varala Nala Janma Manavacha. Narasarthaka Sadhani Bhuta Sacha. Naru Sai Prema Galaya Ahanta. Namaskara Sashtanga Shri Sainatha. Karave Karisana Alpagna Bala. Karave Amadanya Chumbo Nigala. Mukhi Gala Preme Karagrasata. Namaskara Sashtanga Shri Sainatha. Suradi Kajancha Palavanditati. Sukadi Kajate Samanatva Devi. Prayagadi Tipe Padinam Rahota. Namaskara Sashtanga Shri Sainatha. Tujaja Palapa Hata Gopavali. Sadarangani Chitswarupi Mirali. Karira Satira Save Krishna Nara. Namaskara Sashtanga Shri Sainatha. Punama Katoma Gane Kadave. Karajodito Dina Atyanta Bhave. Pavimohani Rajaha Virata. Namaskara Sashtanga Shri Sainatha. Aisaye Vasai Digambara. Akshaya Rupavatara. Sarvadhyapakatu. Shrutisara. Anusaya Trikumara. Bhavaye Viva. Kasi Snana Japa Pratidivasi. Kolhapura Vikshesi. Nirmala Nadi Tunga. Jalaprasi. Nidra Mahura Desi. Aisaye Iva. Choli Lomatase Vamakari. Trishura Damarudhari. Bhakta Varada Sada. Sukakari. Deshila Mukti Chari. Aisaye Iva. Kali पादुका जपमाला कमण्डलु मृगछाया धारण करसीहा नागजटा मुकुट शोभतो माता ऐसा येईवा तत्पर तुझाया जे ज्ञानी अक्षय त्यांचे सदनी लक्ष्मी वास करी दिन रजनी रक्षसी संकट वारुनी ऐसा येईवा या परिजान तुझे गुरुराया दृश्य करी नयनाया पूर्णानंद सुखे ही काया लाविसी हरि गुण गाया ऐसा येईवा साई दिगंबरा अक्षय रूपावतारा सर्व हि व्यापक तू श्रुतिसारा अनुसया त्रिकुमारा भावा येईवा श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय। सद्गुरु श्री साईनाथ